The question of whether to save or invest can be a difficult one, and there is no right or wrong answer. Ultimately, the decision depends on your financial circumstances and goals. Hello everyone, welcome to Success Wisdom Channel. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about should you stop saving and start investing? Money Management 101. To save for a rainy day, you need to stash your money in a safe place where it can grow. This is the main idea behind saving, keeping your money in a bank or another investment account so that it earns interest over time. However, just because you're saving doesn't mean you're investing. There's a big difference between the two. So what's the difference? And which one should you be doing? Keep watching to find out. The benefits of saving money. First, a savings account can provide financial stability and let you live within your means. One of the main advantages of saving money is that it can provide a cushion in an emergency. Unexpected expenses, such as a car repair or medical bill, can be covered without relying on credit cards or loans. Savings can also help you reach your financial goals, whether buying a home, taking a dream vacation, or retiring comfortably. In addition, saving money gives you more options and flexibility in your life. When it comes to your finances, saving money is always a good idea. For example, you may be able to take advantage of special offers or purchase items on sale. Plus, if you ever find yourself out of work, your savings can help you keep afloat until you find a new job. And compound interest can make saving money a lucrative investment. When you save money, you are essentially letting your money work for you. The money that you save can be invested and will grow over time. The longer you let it grow, the more interest it will accrue. This is known as compound interest, and it can make saving money a very lucrative investment. Compound interest is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world because of its ability to generate wealth over time. If you start saving early in life, compound interest can help you build a substantial nest egg that will grow and provide for you throughout your retirement. Even if you don't have much money to save right now, compound interest can still work for you. The benefits of investing money. Number 1, it provides daily income. Most people are familiar with investing money in stocks, bonds, and other securities. However, many people don't realize that investing can also provide a steady income stream. For example, suppose you invest $100 in a stock that pays a 3% dividend. This means that every year, you would receive $3 in dividends. And if the stock price increases, you would also receive additional income when you sell your shares. In contrast, if you keep your money in a savings account, you may only earn interest of 1% or less. As you can see, investing can be a great way to increase your income. And the best part is, you can start with just a tiny amount of money. Number 2, you can gain more control over your life. By diversifying your investments and saving for specific goals, you can take steps to secure your financial future and protect yourself against potential setbacks. As you learn about different investment strategies and work to build your portfolio, you'll develop new skills and knowledge that can be applied in other areas of your life. In addition, investing can also offer opportunities for personal growth and development. Number 3, investing money can provide tax benefits and help you save on taxes. By investing in a wide range of assets, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, you can take advantage of the various tax benefits they offer. For example, many investment accounts provide tax-deferred growth, which means you won't have to pay taxes on the earnings until you withdraw the money. This can give a significant advantage if you can let your money grow over a long period. Many investment accounts also offer tax-free withdrawals, which can be a valuable way to access your money without incurring any tax liability. Finally, it can help you build your wealth. When you invest, You are essentially putting your money into something that has the potential to grow in value. This can be a very lucrative endeavor, as long-term investments typically tend to outperform other savings methods. How to decide whether to save or invest? When it comes to financial planning, one of the most important decisions is whether to save or invest your money. Both options have advantages and disadvantages, and there is no right or wrong answer. The best choice for you will depend on your circumstances, goals, and risk tolerance. If you are a risk-averse or have short-term financial goals, saving may be the better option. Savings account interest rates are relatively low, but your money is still relatively safe from market fluctuations. On the other hand, investing comes with a higher degree of risk. However, investing can offer the potential for higher returns if you are willing to take on more risk and have a longer time horizon. There is no one-size-fits-all answer when deciding whether to save or invest. Ultimately, the best decision for you will depend on your unique financial situation and goals. However, if you take the time to educate yourself on the pros and cons of each option, you can make the best decision for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you like this video. Tips for starting to invest. One of the most important things to do is educate yourself about the different types of investments and how they work. This will help you understand its options, risks, and potential rewards. Having a clear idea of your goals and objectives is also important. Are you looking to grow your wealth over the long term or seek immediate income? Once you know what you want to achieve, you can narrow down your options and develop a strategy. Finally, don't forget to diversify your portfolio. This means investing in a variety of assets to spread out your risk. By following these simple tips, you can start investing confidently and working towards your financial goals. Things to watch out for when investing your money. When it comes to investing your money, you should keep a few things in mind to avoid losing your shirt. First and foremost, always remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. Just because a stock or mutual fund did well last year doesn't mean it will do the same this year. Secondly, please don't put all your eggs in one basket. As we've said, diversify your portfolio by investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and cash equivalents. This will help mitigate risk should any asset class take a hit. Thirdly, you need to be aware of the fees associated with any given investment. Make sure you understand what you're being charged and whether or not those fees are worth it. Fourthly, you need to understand the risks involved in any given investment. Higher risk investments may offer greater potential rewards, but also a greater chance of losing money. Finally, stay disciplined. Don't let emotions like fear or greed dictate your investment decisions. If you keep these things in mind, you'll be on your way to making wise investment choices that will help you reach your financial goals. The importance of having a financial plan. Having a financial plan is vital to help you make sound financial decisions and reach your financial goals. Without a plan, it is easy to overspend or make impulsive decisions that can end up costing you in the long run. A financial plan can help you track your income and expenses, set aside money for savings and investment, and identify areas where you may need to cut back to reach your goals. A plan can also help you stay on track when unexpected expenses arise. If you do not have a financial plan, now is the time to create one. Working with a financial advisor can help you get started. Which option is better for you depends on your goals and risk tolerance. Investing can be risky, but it might be worth the gamble if you stand to gain a lot in return. However, saving your money might be just as risky as you could lose out on potential earnings. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.